In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and customize an invoice template in QuickBooks Online so you can match your branding and look more professional. So first, click the gear icon at the top right corner and then select the custom form styles under the your company section. So in here, click the plus new style button or new style button in here and then choose the invoice since we're creating an invoice template. So click this invoice and now you're in the template editor now. So from here you can customize the design, logo, fonts, and colors to match your business identity. So you can also adjust the content in here like showing or hiding fields, changing labels, or rearranging columns under the emails tab. You can even personalize the message your customer sees when you send the invoice. So once you're done, you can click the done to save your custom invoice template, and to use it, you can just create a new invoice and select your custom style from the customize drop down at the bottom. And that's it. So you now have a professional looking invoice template in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.